Power, personality, style. Whatever you wish for, the new Kia Soul has it. The latest generation Soul shines with refinements both inside and out. Take the front with its new lower grille, framed by the striking bifunction xenon headlights, or the new 18-inch alloy wheels. The rear also has been restyled with twin exhaust pipes and an eye-catching skid plate. The effect is bold and powerful. Inside the 1.6 turbo GDI model, you'll find distinctive orange accents and a D-shaped steering wheel, as well as a redesigned center fascia. The new Soul features the latest 8-inch touchscreen navigation system with Kia's connected services, including live traffic updates and points of interest. The navigation system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can even charge a smartphone in the rear. Time to get comfortable with a heated steering wheel, front power seats and heated seats throughout. Power up the 1.6 turbo GDI engine and choose between normal, eco and sport mode with drive mode select to suit your personal driving style. There's a whole range of advanced technology, so you can enjoy the Kia Soul to the full. Handy rain sensors turn on the wipers automatically when needed, and the lane departure warning system sounds an alarm if you start to leave your lane unintentionally. Equally reassuring on the open road is blind spot detection, while rear cross traffic alert helps you when you're reversing and warns about obstacles behind you. Clever solutions, bold looks, dynamic drive. There's never been a better time for the new Kia Soul.